I'm Krzysztof Zawieska. I'm a warehouse operations manager. I've been with the company for 19 years now, last 7 years with logistics and warehousing. So we are a global manufacturer of hygiene products, personal hygiene, also household items. We operate in a few countries around Europe. Our international division is covering UK, France, Canada, Australia and Mexico. Apart from those countries, we also sell our products or distribute our products in more than 130 countries around the world via our trusted distributors network. In 2024, our annual output was 114 million units. There is anticipation and a target for this year to be around 103 million. So this is the Kingsmead site. We are an empty packaging warehouse. We supply empty packaging to production, who are then turning it into a finished goods product, which then eventually ends up on the shop shelves. What we use in here at Kingsmead or in Folkestone is WM on ECC. So when I first started, it was all paper-based and the initial process was very cumbersome and time-consuming. We've been using something else, which is another digital solution, which currently does not meet our demand. Hence, we turned to PreBilt with increased capacity and ability to be sort of molded and changed to reflect our needs and demands. So PreBilt fully satisfies us as a customer for what we're currently doing or what we currently need to use it for, which is obviously the stock inquiries, bin-to-bin movements, perpetual inventory, which is the cycle counts, and also the putaways. These are the 4 main transactions that we were using the old system for, and it was great to see that PreBilt can offer the same mirroring of everything that we've been using before, but in a much better quality and with a much better support.
My name's Richard. I work at the component warehouse for Church Dwight. Using the RF scanning guns and the PreBilt software has made it much faster to move stock around internally around the warehouse. This was quite time consuming before, but now it can be done literally within minutes. The ability to cycle count the warehouse and check the stock accuracy throughout the entire warehouse is improved massively. Before, we would have to print it out on paper, come away from the PC, manually check every pallet in the warehouse, go back to the PC, and back and forth several times. Using the guns and PreBilt, we can now do it directly at the racking with each pallet, and it saves so much time. The advantages are how much faster it is and how much easier it is. It's pretty easy to use, it's quite user-friendly, so it's easy to learn for the new people when we have new people start. But overall, it's the speed and the accuracy that it gives us, because obviously the more accurate it is, the less cycle counting we have to do within the warehouses.
The process in production, when processing the finished goods from the end of production line onto the trailers, was very, very old-fashioned. It required a very heavy human element input. It took a lot of time as well. It was prone to mistakes like typos on a keyboard or confirming the wrong item, which then took you around to reverse it, to take a lot of time. Now the simple process is to scan the finished goods pallets straight onto the trailer. The ASN, which is a trailer manifest, is created automatically. Now with the PreBilt implementation, that risk of human error is being minimized very, very largely. So it's a significant step in improving the accuracy, but also in simplifying the processes and making it easy for the end user not to make that error and do things properly and quickly and efficiently. It is a massive step. This is one of the biggest wins that we've had for years. When it comes to simplifying the processes, it would be about 22 man-hours per week that we will be cutting out at both sites when it comes to processing, putaways, and all the other transactions that we were using the old system for. I mean, I couldn't wish for a better team to work with. Obviously, it's been a long time. I've been here 19 years. It is the first project that has got such a massive magnitude. And when you do implement such a big change after a long period of time, you really need that extra effort from the support team to make sure that every query, every feedback, every issue is addressed quickly and efficiently and to your satisfaction, which is the customer satisfaction. Config team, they were absolutely amazing. All the bugs, all the fixes were done in no time. The knowledge, second to none, very professional, well spoken, and obviously always there when we needed them.